Tired of the same old avocado toast for breakfast every day? Me too. Just like you, I do love a good avocado toast, but it has become the breakfast world's version of beige. Fear not, my friends, I have a game-changing recipe that will blow your taste buds away. It's a great kickstart to the day, a great savory breakfast toast. It's savory, it's healthy, it's quick, so let's get started. Start off by toasting your bread. You can use any sort of bread you like, sourdough, white bread. Today I'm using regular wholemeal bread. It's been toasted nicely, and now we're introducing our secret agent. It's Greek-style yogurt. Greek-style yogurt has a perfect balance of creamy versus tangy. It's a perfect base for a savory toast. Greek-style yogurt is thicker than regular yogurt. If you don't have Greek-style yogurt, you can strain your yogurt to make it thicker by using a yogurt strainer like this. Make sure you're using a good quality Greek-style yogurt or a thickened yogurt with the perfect balance of thickness and tanginess. So we're going to spread our toast with a good amount of that Greek-style creamy delicious yogurt. Greek-style yogurt is a great source of protein and other nutrients. It's also beneficial to your digestive health. It provides sustained energy, which is why it's a great choice for a breakfast toast. Once you spread the Greek-style yogurt over your toast to your liking, it's time to add some simple seasoning. First, we have some ground cumin. Cumin's flavor is a passionate embrace of earth and spice. It's a warm, comforting flavor. Sprinkle a little bit of cumin, or a bit more, according to how much you like it, over your toast, followed by some smoked hot paprika. It's a flavor that dances on your tongue, leaving a lingering warmth and a smoldering desire for more. The combination of cumin and smoked hot paprika is perfect for this kind of savory toast. You have to try this combination. Next, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. You can use flat leaf or curly parsley, whatever you have. Adding parsley adds a bright, herbaceous note. It's refreshing and invigorating. And finally, add some thinly sliced cherry tomatoes. I recommend using grape cherry tomatoes. Sliced cherry grape tomatoes are like tiny ruby red jewels, bursting with sweet and tangy flavor. They're slightly acidic combined with sweet bite, adds a playful pop to this savory toast. And that's it, our savory breakfast yogurt toast is ready. You could add some additional ingredients like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or sliced black olives. Let me know what you'd like to add. You have to try this recipe and let me know if it's a good substitute for your regular avocado toast. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.